Hello guys, good afternoon. Time check, it is 8:12 guys in the evening, but because we are almost in summer and the weather is so beautiful and and also we have long days, or we have long hours of light. 8:15, but as I've said, we are in summer. And today guys, we are going to harvest our garlics finally. They said that you're going to harvest your garlics mid-June. That's what they said. But the thing is, my garlics, they are so dry. Maybe they are so dry because I didn't irrigate them, but really dry guys. Yeah, so when I saw that the leaves, 4 leaves are so dry, then I stopped irrigating. So I didn't irrigate them for maybe a week already, and yeah, I will show you. And we are going to harvest. All right, our zinnias, they are loving it guys, because as you can see that this is my animals poop, and these zinnias are enjoying really well. And as I observe also that these are basil guys, or basil, but this basil, the leaves are very small, different variety. Yeah, and there are more basil or basil that side. All right, so let's go back to our garlics. As you can see, as you can tell, that our garlics are so dry. As you can see, can you see that the leaves are peppery, and we are going to harvest them. Okay, so let's check. Oh wow, look at that beautiful garlic, people. Can you see that? Oh wow, and the skin is really dry already guys. All right, one down. Oh, so beautiful. OMG. Oh wow. This is quite inside. Look. This one is like a huge one. And still green maybe? That's why they have to be cured. See? And po kaki. Ternyata. OMG ha.
Laga ka pa more fort.
See ya. Very good, Iha. So small. Uy, ba? Ole! Hello friends, so we finally finished digging our garlics and we are so happy because I think we have enough garlic for the whole year again. I hope. Alright guys, so just when we finish harvesting our garlics and our neighbors, they started to on the sprinkle. Actually, they are irrigating the field next to us the whole day, but they have like the section, and now the section is at the edge. So we have, can you see how many? Four, I think, here at the edge. So what we are going to do is we are going to harvest all of this. Yeah, give that to the animal. And we are going to take all these garlics and keep it, guys, so they won't get wet or they won't get any humidity, because that's what we want. Hello guys, tingnan nyo yung na-harvest natin na garlics. So they are all dried. So what we are going to do is to cut the stem, guys, from here like that, and then we have to cut a little bit of these roots, and then we can store them, because I think it's been 3 weeks that I've been drying this one, so they are all ready. As you can tell that it is very, oh, look at that, it's broken. Can you see? Because it is very dry. Alright, so let's do this. Alright guys, so these are the garlic and we have to cut them, and we have to keep them, of course. I'm looking for a cutter, so we're going to put the stems in here and we're going to compost them. I'm so happy. Yeah. OMG. Oopsie. Russell, Wapo. Russell, Bina. Wapo. Russell. So, ito na guys. Natanggal na lahat yung mga stems niya. Yung iba, nagunting ko na rin yung roots niya. Pero yung iba, hindi pa. So, I keep on cleaning them. Or maybe I will leave it as like this. I am very happy with the result. That is the basket and look. Hello dear friends, so I just finished cutting the stems and I am very happy guys with the results of my garlics this year. And I think I have enough garlics for the whole year, or if ever I will need guys, I just have to buy maybe just a kilo. And in October, today we are in July, August, September, October, and in 3 months, October, November, yes, in 3 to 4 months I'm going to buy garlics to plant again. And I'm planning to plant here in our front yard garden the garlics where I planted this year, no, last year, yeah, in 2023 guys, 23, because the 2023 I harvested in 2024, and then the one that I harvested last June, I planted that one in November 2024. So yeah, I am going to plant guys in our front garden. I will try to restore my front yard garden, so I will focus in just one place, and maybe the backyard garden guys, my husband and I, we plan to plant maybe fruit trees in there because of the mole. That is why maybe, yeah, I will plant fruit trees in there because that's what we lack of and that's what we miss. I want apple trees, and I bought apple trees guys, but our goats, one of the apple trees, our animals ate them, so that's dead. And another one is still alive, but it's really striving and it's not growing. It's alive, but because I don't water because guys, there is no leaves at all, so I thought it's dead. But when I look the other day, I saw some leaves, so maybe I will just irrigate and fertilize a little bit and that apple tree will grow. And I have some trees, I started those trees from seeds guys. If you remember, every time I eat some fruits, if I like the fruit and then I'll take the seeds and then I just plant or just throw into my my pot guys, my planter box, and then yeah, I irrigate every maybe 3 times a week or 4 times a week, something like that. I make sure that they have water. So yeah, they grew guys, and that's what we are going to plant hopefully. Yeah, so ayun guys ang ating garlic. So you will see those garlics in my cooking videos very soon, because I will absolutely use those garlics, guys. And I am very happy because they are completely dried and they are ready to store. And as you saw that my onions, I harvested some of my onions as well here in our front yard, and I will maybe braid them and just hang them here, guys, some of them to dry. That's my plan, and we will have some onions for this month. I'm not going to have a year's worth supply of onion because of the problem of these moles, guys. Yeah, but yeah, let's focus on the positive thing. Like, I have garlics, so I can purchase a sack or 10 kilos. A sack is 10 kilos, guys, of onions in the market, so I don't have any problem on that. And yeah, but the thing is, of course, what I love is I grew my own, guys. That's what I like. And if we can't grow them, then we can buy. Yeah, but I love to grow, and of course no need to buy. So we can save money, because I did a lot of effort and energy to plant those onions and to grow them. But the sad thing is, these moles ate my onions, guys. So what can we do? Yeah, so maybe I'm not going to show you how I'm going to braid my onions, and I will just show you the finished outcome. Okay, guys, so see you later. Thank you all so much, dear friends, for watching. Please like this video, consider subscribing, comment, and I hope to see you again very soon. Bye, dear friends.